Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to convert a KivyMD application to an APK file on Lubuntu using Buildozer. If you are looking to run your KivyMD app on an Android device, you have come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Prerequisites. First, let's make sure we have all the necessary prerequisites installed. We will need Python, Kivy, KivyMD and Buildozer. Open your terminal and let's get started. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install Python 3, Python 3 -pip, Python 3 -virtual environment. Pip install Kivy, KivyMD, Buildozer. Step 2. Setting up the project. Next, let's set up our KivyMD project. We will create a new directory to our project and place our main.py and word_jumble.kv files in it. Here we have our main.py file which contains our KivyMD application code and the word_jumble.kv file for our UI layout. Step 3. Initializing Buildozer. Now let's initialize Buildozer in our project directory. This will create a buildozer.spec file that we can configure Buildozer in it. This buildozer.spec file contains all the configurations options for your build. Let's open it and make a few adjustments. Step 4. Configuring Buildozer. Open the buildozer.spec file in your favorite text editor. We will need to set the package name, version and any other configuration necessary for our app. Step 5. Building the APK. With our buildozer.spec file configured, we can now build our APK. This process can take some time, so be patient. Buildozer will handle downloading the necessary tools and dependencies, compiling the code, and generating the APK. Once the process is complete, you will find your APK in the bin directory of your project. Step 6. Installing the APK. Finally, transfer the APK to your Android device and install it. You can use a USB cable or any other method you prefer. Once transferred, open the APK file on your Android device and follow the prompts to install it. And there you have it. You have successfully converted your KivyMD app to an APK and install it on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.